Hi guys. I just wanted to do a quick video on sesame oil. One of the best oils I know of that adds a beautiful flavor to all foods. And again, it's more so a flavoring oil. So you use this as a finish on salads. You can do it at the end of a saute on vegetables, and I make sauces. I make a beautiful teriyaki with it, and you can use it as a dipping part of a dipping oil. You know, so it's just a nutty. It's toasted. They call it roasted sesame oil. And it just brings out. I could smell it from here. How beautiful it is. If you don't have this in your kitchen arsenal, grab it, and people will think you're a Chinese chef. You know, so I'm just doing this as a little thing. I just threw some flatbread on the burner and gave that a little toast. But boy, what a beautiful oil. You need even salt and pepper that. So, in one of my Chinese books that I've had for years and years, Chinese cooking, just looking at the sesame oil, how they explain it, is a golden brown aromatic oil made from toasted sesame seed. It is used in small quantities more as a seasoning than for cooking. Many Chinese chefs uh, keep it in a plastic dispenser or a spouted oil can, like this one is, so they can squirt a few drops onto their dish just before serving. It can be refrigerated indefinitely after opening. And then they talk about sesame seed needs to be toasted to bring out the sweet nut-like flavor. Place them in an ungreased pan and cook them over low heat. And these are a nice complement, for example, to your salad, until seeds are golden and begin to pop, about 2 minutes. Okay, so that's the little flavor in that. But anyhow, guys, if you don't have this, to try it, try it. You'll make some beautiful sauces. Add to your salads, dressings, sauces. To all your Oriental dishes that you can make. Beautiful, fresh stuff. All right, guys. Hey, enjoy. And it's also a natural oil. Thanks, guys. Hope this helped. Bye.